After receiving a national security briefing on Tuesday and talking about his plan for the US economy earlier in the week, Joe Biden is returning to a critical theme: the COVID-19 pandemic, but specifically the impact on frontline workers, and specifically health workers who in some cases are giving their lives caring for those who've contracted coronavirus. The National Nurses United trade union here in the United States estimated back in September that 1,700 of their colleagues had died caring for those who'd been struck down by coronavirus. And consider that the governor of the state of North Dakota has asked health workers who tested positive for COVID but aren't sick to keep on working. So it gives you an idea of the kind of pressures they're under. And Joe Biden wants to talk to those health workers to hear their grievances, hear their concerns. Let's hear from Joe Biden.
My son-in-law is a surgeon in Philadelphia at one of the major hospitals, and they're going through similar crises, but it's mainly because not being able to access PPE. And the idea that hospitals should have to compete with one another to get PPE is bizarre.
Well, this all takes place as President Donald Trump has fired yet another official who he doesn't agree with, this time dismissing the top election security official, Christopher Krebs, who it appears had the temerity to challenge President Trump over his allegations of widespread vote fraud, widespread election rigging. Christopher Krebs has said essentially that there is no foundation for these allegations and pushed back constantly against Trump's allegations, and that appeared to have cost him his job. But Christopher Krebs appears undeterred, firing off his own flurry of tweets over the last day or so to assure his followers that there is no evidence of widespread election fraud, and signing off one tweet with the words, "Defend today, secure tomorrow." Owen Fairclough, CGTN in Wilmington, Delaware.